What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I have an awesome video in store for you today. I have been browsing through the social medias, and on TikTok I have come across Hairstyle TikTok, which is really interesting because of all the things you can come across on TikTok, Hairstyle is what shows up for me. I guess it's based on a whole bunch of stuff. But anyway, so today I thought it would be a fun idea to show you guys how to style 2 of the most popular TikTok hairstyle trends. Let's get started. Alright guys, so before we start styling our hair, I have to give a huge shout out to Dre Drexler and Shehvoo for sending out all of the hair products that we're going to be using in today's video. They sent me Ocean Clay, their newest pomade, sea salt spray, and the activating oil cleanser. All of these products I'm going to be using to style my hair for the 2 hairstyles we're looking at today. So again, thank you to Dre Drexler and the team over at Shehvoo. There will be a link for you in the description to get a little bit of a discount code on some of the Shehvoo products if you want to go check them out. But let's head on into the bathroom and start styling the hair. Alright guys, so for hairstyle number 1, I'm going to be going for that super messy, almost textured fringe hairstyle that I've been seeing over TikTok a lot. I'll put up a couple of pictures here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. To achieve the specific results for this hairstyle, I'm going to be using the Ocean Spray or the Sea Salt Spray, and then I'm also going to be using the pomade. Next, I'm going to grab my hair dryer, and I'm basically just creating a lot of upward motion on the fringe of my hair, and I'm pushing my hair all the way to the front from the back. So it's creating that forward motion and then swooping it up in the front. So my hairstyle is actually a little bit shorter on the top, so it's not going to lay down quite as much as some of the pictures that you guys have seen that I've put up on the screen for you, as it would if it were longer. But nonetheless, I was still able to achieve a pretty cool look with these hair products, and I think I came pretty close to the hairstyle that I was looking for. Super messy on top, very textured throughout the top as well, and it looks like a really playful hairstyle. You can run your fingers through it, you can mess it up. Overall, this hairstyle was super sick. It was fun to style, it was really easy. And yeah, let's move on to the next one. So for the next hairstyle, this is going to be a short modern quiff. And again, between each hairstyle, I have been washing my hair with the activating oil cleanser. It leaves my hair feeling super soft and healthy, and it just feels really good to wash my hair with a cleanser that's not damaging like certain shampoos and stuff are. Alright, so I'm getting my hair almost completely dry with the towel before applying the Ocean Clay in again. I'm not going to use very much of it because I'm going to let the hairdryer do a lot of the work for this particular hairstyle. So I'm getting a portion of the Ocean Clay about the size of a dime, emulsifying it up in my hands, breaking it up, and then I'm going to apply it to the front of my head first, work my way to the middle, and then to the back, because I want a lot of the volume in the hole to be on the very front end of this hairstyle. So that's why I'm applying in the front first and then working my way back. And then really after I've applied the Ocean Clay to my hair, I'm using the hairdryer not necessarily to create volume, but I'm using it to create shape. So what I mean by that is I'm not blowing in the opposite directions that I would normally do to achieve a lot of volume with the blow dryer. But what I'm doing is I'm using the hairdryer to blow my hair in the direction that I want it to go and shaping it in the way that I want it to be shaped. So I'm not using the hairdryer for volume, using it to achieve the look that I'm going for. And then overall, these are the final results for the second hairstyle. Looks pretty sick. Alright guys, and that's pretty much it. Before we head out today, I want to thank today's video sponsor, Rose Gold & Black, for supporting the channel as they always do. Guys, if you are looking for stylish, affordable, and amazing accessories to up your style game, Rose Gold & Black has got you covered. Be sure to click on the link in the description of this video. Head over to rosegoldandblack.com. They have everything you could ever need to take your style game to a whole new level. And again, it is for an incredible price point. They cannot be beaten. So again, be sure to hit the link in the description, head over to rosegoldandblack.com and grab yourself some awesome stylish accessories today. Guys, if you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button down below. Drop your comments in the comment section and let me know what videos you'd like to see next. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications if you have not already. And I will see you in the next video. I'm out of here.